Hi everybody, this is Joy at Pine Quilt Shop. Today we're going to talk about free motion quilting feet. I'm going to walk you through 3 different feet that you can free motion quilt with and kind of talk about the pros and cons and the differences between them. The first foot is an open toe foot. It is probably the one that you most commonly are going to get included with your sewing machine. The second one is a closed toe foot, or some people will call this a loop foot. And the last one we'll talk about is the Accuquilting foot. So let's take a look at the first one, the open toe foot. The key thing with the open toe foot is as you're free motion quilting, you have good visibility of your needle. So you can tell right where your needle is being placed, and that is one of the things that a lot of people like about an open toe foot. The second foot, the closed toe foot, has a closed loop, and for some people visually they just follow the loop instead of focusing on the needle, and it's actually easier for them to have the closed toe foot. So it all kind of, I think, depends a little bit on your vision and what's easier for you, if you like to see the needle or if you have an easier time being able to just follow that loop. The last one is the Accuquilting foot. Now, the Accuquilting foot actually has some etched lines on it, and I'm hoping you can see those in the video. But when you have your needle in the center position, there is an etched line that is 1/4 of an inch away from the needle, and that circle goes all the way around the needle. So you have that etched mark that's 1/4 inch from the needle all the way around, and you also have one that's 3/8 of an inch. So this is actually designed so that you can echo a design in your patchwork. So you can follow that one, you can let that one line, that one etched marking actually follow a seam line, and it will allow you to very easily free motion quilt 1/4 of an inch away from that seam line. Or if you actually line the further out etched circle on the Accu foot with your seam line, you can actually go ahead and sew 3/8 of an inch away. So people will use an Accuquilting foot to sometimes stitch around an applique. If you have an applique, sometimes it's really fun to Accuquilt around that applique shape. It really makes that stand out and pop out. Or you can use it around lines in your seam lines, actually in your piecing. So that is another option as well. So 3 different options for free motion quilting. I encourage people to try them all and see which one is your favorite and which one works the best for you. Thanks for joining us.